Well, what are we up to today? Well, I'm on helmet cam and I'm staring at an Argo. That probably means I'm doing an Argo episode. But we're going to go up this way and we're going to have a look at some bridge stuff and we're going to get out and do some amphibious running. So I'll see you in a minute. Now there is a bit of flow in the river. It looks like it's been higher when it was flooded the other day. So we might go up in the river and then float down a little bit. Well, that hole's a bit deeper than I thought. Luckily we float. It's usually pretty shallow up here, so we'll try in here, see what the flow's like. Get back in the middle a bit for balance. Yeah, it's flowing a bit across the bank here. Yeah. Yeah, we might get washed down, we'll find out. There we go. Get into the flow a little bit here. Yeah, it might be a bit hard for it now. Yeah, no, current's too strong for us to come across a bit. Oh. Alright, might come back through this bit and we'll go back down and have a look at the bridge again. Probably want high range in the water, give a bit of paddling ability. Don't stall on me. There we go. Yeah, so the current's kind of too strong for us here. I'm not going to try there. I've seen some of these guys on the Argo forums and Facebook pages and stuff tackle worse things, but I'm not that adventurous. I don't. Whoa, that was again deeper than I thought. But if I'm going to sink it, I want to do it on that side because the water doesn't splash into the hull so easily. That side it's pretty open. Alright. So we might try out the outboard in the river and the calmer section and see how we go. Now, there's a perfectly good made track, but of course we've got 8 wheels, so why do we need a track? Now that's the hole we went in before and that was quite deep. This one I suspect is going to be the same kind of deal. Now, intelligently I want to drop that side in the deep hole, not that side. So, yeah, that one's deep enough. Yeah, that's deep. I probably would have drowned it in that side. I'm not sure. Better safe than sorry, at least. There's a big frog over there somewhere, I can hear him. Alright, now we probably want to stay out of that current. It looks like it's fairly moving. And I know my tyres can't overcome that. My outboard's not plugged in, so not yet anyway. I guess it's a nice stable platform to have a good look at the bridge though. Come and have a good look out here. Let's see how we're going to go on the water here. We are moving, but we're in a bit of an eddy. I think I'm probably better off on just the tyres at the moment. I might just shut it down for a bit. I'll just see what they're doing on the bridge. Just have a listen for a bit. So it looks like, I know it's probably a bit windy, so I hope it's not that windy. So it does look like we could probably sneak under the bridge, although there is another spot that I can come down the other side. But I guess I could go up through the bush up that way and have a look and see maybe if I can get around the top of the works. I don't know. I'm going to give the helmet cam a rest. It's getting a bit hot in this weather, so yeah, I'll go back to the camera on the front here. Alright, well, I've done a lot of driving around and exploring, but I got most of the interesting bits cut off, which is probably fairly sensible. They don't want somebody like me driving around distracting them while they're lifting big heavy weights on these cranes. So, been nice for a bit of a gander, but I think I'm going to cruise up to the top and probably go back to the vehicle, see if there's another spot I can get in on the other side. So yeah, we might cruise our way out. I'm going to go back onto this because, you know, helmet cam's a bit of a pain in the ass sometimes. And I haven't charged all my batteries up, so I don't know how long I'm going to be able to record for. Anyway, we'll see you in a few minutes. I got to get out of this river.